case you need your gele to be tight.
Dead beauty, looking good and looking nice. Dead beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
dead beauty.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. Today I want to show you the new update of this 3 minutes church head wrap tutorial. Yes, the new update is we are going to cover our back. We are going to cover the whole of the head because my hair is not nice. I'm going to show you how to achieve that if you want to cover your hair. So if you want to cover your hair, don't fold it like this. No, don't fold it. The other of my video, I fold it. At least if you want to bring out your hair out. So like this, just straight your fabric like this. This material is called ashoke. Then now we are going to do the measurement. We are going to do the measurement. We are going to divide this material into 40-60. So this is how to divide it. You see what I just demonstrated? That one is what I call 50-50. Then you take it up a little bit, one side, push it up a little bit. Once one side is longer than the other side, little bit. That is what I call 40-60. The shorter side is the 40. Yes, as you can see, that shorter side is the 40. The longer side is the 60. Okay, now we are going to take the 40 together with the 60. Yes, take it. I don't want to stand up, guys, because I travel. I'm not at home. This is my hotel room. What I put on is too short. So okay, you see, take the 40 together with the 60. Yes, now we are going to place it on our heads now. You see, because we did not fold it, we have excess material at the back for us to cover the back side. You bring out your hand on top. Yes, we are going to hand over the 60 to that hand. You see that hand? Focus your eye or what I'm doing. Focus. Yes, you see I handle that 60 to that hand. I'm going to pull out that 60. Pull it out. Just see what I am doing. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. Yes, you drag it out. Once you drag it out, make sure you just drag it out carefully. It's very easy. You can do it. You see, it's out from the other side. This style is easy because this style did not require you have to do pleating and do pleating, first pleating at the front. No, very easy. Okay, now you use one hand to hold that 60 proper. Drag it. Make sure it's firm. Anytime you want to remove your hand, use your other hand to hold it. Okay, now what I'm doing there, I'm just trying to fold that excess. Yes, you remember from the beginning we did not fold it. That is the reason we have that excess, so that in case if your hair is not nice, you want to cover it. That is the reason I just come up with this new update, because many people have learned that style, but they said, how are they going to cover the back side if their hair is not nice? Okay, guys, I just try to set it up. Make sure you drag it, you pull it up so that your gele will be very firm. Okay, that is it. So by the time you get to this stage, you can use this. You can do two style. That is why I demonstrate my 2 finger. You can use this excess, this 60, to create 2 style. This is the first style. You can just twist it like this, twist it, and take it round and tucking it under the one you already achieved. Then you use one pin to pin there. This one is the first style. You can use this. You can do with this style when you cover your back side. Okay, so we are going to do the May style of this 3 minutes. So now we are going to create rows. So the way we create rows, we just take it round and take it round and take it round. Focus your eye on my hand and see the way I demonstrate it. And if you are taking it round, make sure you take it under. Just the go until the material finish. Guys, if today is your first time you come across my video, I have many styles on my YouTube channel and my Facebook. Yes, follow me on my Facebook. I have 2 pages. One is Deck Beauty, the other one is Deck Beauty Life. Deck Beauty Life is my backup page. That one is new page. Please follow me for the 2. Yes, by the time you get to the end, just look for pin and use pin to protect that edge. Use pin to protect that edge. Any edge, any place you see that is not that good, just pin it. Use pin to protect, to secure it, to just
need your gele to be tight.
Deck Beauty, looking good and looking nice. Deck Beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
Deck Beauty, anywhere you go you need some makeup love. Deck Beauty,
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Deck Beauty.